Let's begin question number 6. Here sine theta equals a square minus b square by a square plus b square is given. And we have to find again the values of all t ratios of angle theta. To do so, first of all we have to draw a right angle triangle named ABC, ABC, where V is angle 90 degree. At 90 degree, let us suppose angle C is theta. So according to question, sine theta equals a square minus b square by a square plus b square. So this is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse. So this is a square minus b square and this is a square plus b square, and we have to find the base here, that is BC. So to find that we have to use Pythagoras theorem. So by using Pythagoras theorem, AC square equals AB का square plus BC square. So AB square AC square is A square plus B square to the whole square, and AB square is A square a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus 2a square b square, and this is a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 minus 2a square b square plus bc to the whole square. So this should be cancelled, and this is 4a square b square is equal to bc to the whole square. So we have to find BC equals under root 4a square b square, which is 2ab. So we have to find our base, that is 2ab. Now for an angle theta, sine theta equals perpendicular by hypotenuse. So it is a square minus b square by a square plus b square. Cos theta equals base by hypotenuse. So it is 2ab by a square plus b square. And tan theta equals perpendicular by base. So it is a square minus b square by 2ab. And cot theta is just opposite of tan theta, so it is 2ab by a square minus b square. And cosec theta is just opposite of sin theta, so it is a square plus b square by a square minus b square. And sec theta is just opposite of cos theta, so it is a square plus b square by 2ab. This is the required values of t ratios for an angle theta. That's all. Thank you.